Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Arithmetic Progression. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is find the sum of the first 25 terms of an arithmetic progression whose nth term is given by an is equal to 2 minus 3n. Guys, this is one of the most important questions, and this question is from the chapter Arithmetic Progression, and this question came in one of the CBSE board examination in the year 2004. So guys, let us move ahead and try to solve the given question. Like it is being asked, or we need to find out the sum of the first 25 terms where nth term is given by an is equal to 2 minus 3n. This is what being given. Guys, now we are going to find out the value of the sum of the first 25 terms. Now when n is equal to 1, you will see why I am trying to find out all these things. When n is equal to 1, I can write a1 is equal to 2 minus 3 into 1, or even I can write that is equal to 2 minus 3, or that is equal to minus 1. Similarly, when n is equal to 25, a25 is equal to 2 minus 3 into 25, or that is equal to 2 minus 75, or that is equal to minus 73. So guys, you could see that I am able to extract the values of a1 as minus 1, and I got the value for a1 as minus 1 and a25 as minus 73. Now, in order to find the sum of the arithmetic progression, we need to take the help of this formula, like 2Sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. Now you could understand why I try to find out the value of a1 and a25. Here our intention is to find out the sum of the first 25 terms. So here the value of n is 25. For that reason, I try to find out the value of a1 initially, and then a25 is nothing but minus 73. Now you could see that here in context to our question, the value of n is equal to 25, a1 is equal to minus 1, a25 is equal to minus 73. Now taking these things into factor, let us try to solve this above equation, where 2Sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. So instead of n, I am going to replace the things with 25. So S25 is equal to 25 into a1. a1 is minus 1 minus plus an. So that means plus minus 73, because the value of an here is 73. Or I can write 2S25 is equal to 25 into minus 1 minus 73. Or I can write 2S25 is equal to 25 into minus 74. Or I can write S25 is equal to 25 into minus 74 upon 2. Now guys, we got, like I just took 2 from the left side to the right side. Now I can write, or S25 is equal to 25 minus 37, because when 74 is divided by 2, we get 37. Or I can write S25 is equal to minus 925. Guys, this is our answer, guys. S25 is equal to minus 925. This is what we got, and as per the question, we can say that the sum of the first 25 terms of this given equation, of this given 25 terms of this question, of this given question, I can write of this given question is minus 925. Hope guys you are able to understand you are able to understood this calculation or the process that I have shown you. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.